C&M Hex20 assembly. We start by removing the existing mesh from the rim provided with the tank. This is held in by 6 screws with retaining washers which are recessed. Hang on to the retaining washers because we're going to reuse 2 of them. Okay, so we've removed the mesh and we have our kit ready for unpacking. We started by setting it aside with the 2 retaining washers, and we'll go ahead and clip the zip ties that are holding the kit together when it was shipped. Okay, we have sides, a glass, and on this glass I'll note that in this video we left the cover on, but you'd normally remove the plastic protective covering at this point in time. Okay, so we've got the 2 sides and the frame, and it's time to go ahead and assemble it. Start by placing the glass in place and pressing the 2 retaining clips on. Now attach the 2 retaining clips with the screws and washers at the top and bottom. This will firmly secure the glass into the slots. Now we'll apply the sides. You can slip it underneath the glass and push it through the holes, and then just add the 3 retaining screws. And for the other side, you may want to pick it up and actually make sure everything's aligned before you put it in. Snap them in place, push them through, and screw them down. Okay, we're ready to put our lid into the original holder. So we'll put it in and we'll attach it first with the 2 retaining washers that we saved on either side. Now on the top and bottom with the 4 remaining screws, go ahead and attach those with the washers that were supplied with the kit. And that's it. Your lid's done. You can have it normal orientation or choose one of the side orientations, depending on where you'd like to see your misters, if you'd like to put in misters.